In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma I Premium 4. We're going to walk through how to upgrade your Gamma workspace to the Pro plan so you can unlock premium features right away. Start by opening your browser and heading to gamma.app. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're already signed in, great, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. Look toward the top of the interface for your profile or the name of your current workspace. Click that to open your workspace menu. From this menu, go to Settings and Members. This is where all workspace level controls live, including billing and permissions. It's also the best place to confirm you're working in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of more than one. Take a moment to verify that the workspace name at the top matches where you want the upgrade to apply. Inside Settings and Members, find and click Upgrade Your Workspace. This takes you to the upgrade flow. You'll see plan options. Choose the Pro plan. This is the premium tier that enables the advanced capabilities you're looking for. After selecting Pro, you'll be prompted to pick a billing cycle. Choose monthly if you want flexibility or annual if you prefer a single payment for the year. Think about your team's budget and timeline. You can always reassess later based on your usage. Next, enter your payment details. Make sure the billing information matches your payment method to avoid any hiccups. If your organization needs an invoice, confirm that your business name and billing email are correct before moving on. When everything looks good, click subscribe. The moment you subscribe, your Pro plan activates instantly. You won't need to restart your browser or log out and back in. You should notice that premium features are immediately available in your workspace. If you're collaborating with teammates, they'll benefit as well, since the upgrade applies at the workspace level. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Confirm you're an owner or have the right permissions to manage billing before you start. If you don't see the upgrade option, you may be in the wrong workspace or lack billing access. Have your preferred payment method handy and decide on your billing cycle in advance to make checkout quick. Finally, keep an eye out for a confirmation email or receipt after subscribing so you have a record for your files. That's it. Navigating to Gamma, opening Settings and Members, choosing Upgrade Your Workspace, selecting the Pro plan, setting your billing, entering payment details, and clicking subscribe is all it takes to get Gamma Pro running right away.